So how do you use the Apple Notes for writing on your iPad? Let's get started. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because I publish a lot of helpful tutorials. Now, if you want to stick with the Apple Notes, you can open up the app like this, and essentially you can see that you can start a new note like this. And to get to the writing or canvas mode, you can make the app go full screen. So only this note is going to appear, and at the top of the app you can see a few options, one of which is this pencil icon. And when you click on this, it turns the note from the regular typing note into the drawing canvas, which then lets you use your finger or Apple Pencil to draw or write or do whatever you need, all within the Apple Notes application. Right, so you can create as many notes as you want. It will all be stored and saved inside of the app, and you don't even have to download any app from the App Store. Right, so it's pretty simple that way. You should know, however, that the third-party apps, which aren't designed with only this purpose, are probably a bit better if you ask me. Apps like GoodNotes or even Notability are designed with this idea of just using the Apple Pencil to write on it as like a regular notebook, and those apps kind of tend to work a bit better than the Apple Notes. So depends on what you want or what your preference is. I've shown you how you can use it within the Apple Notes, but just don't be afraid to explore some other alternatives too. So let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot, and that's going to be about it, and I'll catch you later.